Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 19th, for January 29th to February 10th. This is what the this is what the patterns forecasts look like during this period for February 29th to February 2nd. We have a ridge here over western North America. We have a trough here south of the Aleutians and another trough here in the east. And within this flow, there'll be several disturbances moving across the eastern U.S. that will have to be watched for possible intensification, as the case is today. Uh, for the northeast mid Atlantic is bracing for a blizzard, and we have another chance of snow. Uh, the models are depicting different scenarios here. We also have a chance of snow for Friday night and again early next week. So, like I said, each one of these things, as they have to be monitored as they move through. We're going to look at the temperature anomalies. Expecting temperatures for this period to be about 5 to 10 degrees, maybe even 15 degrees above normal, especially here in the southwest and the west. And temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees below normal in the east, with the greatest departures across New England. Now we're going to look at the period for February 1st to the 5th. Here's February 1st. The model, it's not moving. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, here we go. Here's the first. We have a ridge here across western North America. We still have our trough or upper low south of the Aleutians, and we have a trough here still along the east coast or over the eastern U.S. Temperatures anomalies during this period are forecast to be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal in the west and about 10 to 15 degrees below normal in the east. And this is the European deterministics, and looking at the GEF, they're forecasting the same temperature anomalies. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest, above normal precipitation for portions of the southwest, and above normal precipitation for this region also. Looking at the period for February 6th to the 10th. Got to move the map over a little bit. Okay, here we are at the 6th. And the models are still indicating above normal heights here in the west. We still have our trough here south of the Aleutians, and we have a large area of posite anomalies near the Aleutians. And we also have a trough here persisting in the east. We go towards the end of the period. This is the 8th. Pattern doesn't change very much. And taking a look at the temperature anomalies during this period, we're still forecasting temperatures to be about 10 degrees above normal in the west and about 10 to 15 degrees below normal in the east. So for this period, I am forecasting little change in the temperature anomaly, and for the precipitation anomalies, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon and below normal precipitation for portions of the southwest, the central Rockies, into the Ohio Valley, as this correlates well with the GEFS ensembles. Let me try to get them up and show you how it has generally wet conditions here and dry pretty much across much of the nation. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 29th to February 10th. Thank you for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.